This is the biggest AI project that no one is talking about. We are all illiterate because just launched lately. And why they're laughing so much? It's because this is one of the first AI protocols to combine the power of machine learning with RAD3 and big data processing. But here is the crazy part. This project is being incubated by PAAL AI, which is one of the most established AI projects in the States. If you combine the incubators, there are insane lists of backers and strategy partners. This big data platform is working like one to watch. Think about it like this. Artificial intelligence is set to become more popular every single year. In big data and data analytics, routing is a new era again, becoming more popular every year. A project that sits at the core section of this two red-hot narratives, which has the ability to leverage the AI platform to drive talent innovation in big data analytics to enterprise and business around the world. And again, the best part about this is we are early because it just launched these days. This is not financial advice, I'm just sharing you my own research and the project that I personally have a bag of. The name of it is AIT Protocol.